How cute is this?
Welcome back to our channel. Today we thought it would be like very fun to do like a unpacking slash what we packed. Yeah, if you're new to our channel, we were 6 months backpacking through Europe. We left in June in Italy, so it was like 40 degrees, super hot.
Summertime.
And then we were like in Berlin when it was like +1 or 2.
Yeah, things like that.
So yeah, we basically had to pack for all the seasons.
So let's start to showing our backpacks.
Okay, so maybe the tiny ones first?
The tiny ones first, okay.
Basically we took this very tiny backpack from Cashwa, it was like €3. Basically this is like our second day bag when we had like a long day. We needed more than one bag to explore the city. Like snacks, food for the day. Yeah, it has like this outside pocket too. Leave all the links down below of the backpacks and in the sizes and everything, so yeah.
So our second bag is this blue one bag, it's from Cashwa too. It is like €10, something like that.
Yeah, I think it was like €10.
And it's the most important bag of us because here we carried all our gadgets and so we take it everywhere.
Usually have like our camera backpack, little backpack inside.
Water bottle because it's needed.
Yeah, usually like we put it here. It's our little umbrella outside too.
Yes.
And it has like an outside pocket. Usually it's like alcohol to disinfect the hands, apps of things.
So in this tiny pocket you have all cables. After that you have here our computer. After that
all chargers, headphones.
Other thing inside our blue bag is very handful, and this is for a neck pillow that is on transportation.
We're doing 8-hour buses.
This
is like your best friend. Okay, so basically this would be the type of lockers we would wear. Also for clothes.
3.
For each bag, and then for the gadgets bag is our fanny pack. We always have it like this around our waist. Okay, so basically here things we usually have: hand sanitizer, wallet, headphones, and usually like some random tickets and things like that. Okay,
this one?
Let me
present you to
our babies. So basically this is the Cashwa
forecast, something
I don't know. We'll leave it here. It's 50 liters. We're supposed to take 40 liters, but it was like €5 more expensive, and this bad boy can take like a lot more. So yeah, I think it's a great backpack. It's a great size because you can also like take on the plane, and they don't put it like in the gate. Yeah. You can take it with you like a normal backpack. So yeah, basically this has a lot going on. So things we really like about this backpack. Yes, 2 pocket size. Usually water bottles. Here we have our raincoats, like normal raincoats. So and then you can strap this in, so it's like more compact. So when you open that, you have here a big size pocket that goes from here to here. So it's still like a lot of space here. And you mostly use it for usually put like dirty things here too, or like random things. You also then you attach, but yeah, we really like this because like the 40 liters just had the backpack itself, but this one comes like with this little pouch, and you can also take the type like this,
detached from the.
So we really like that. And when you do that, you have like an extra full pocket here.
That's a very big pocket.
Like very big pocket, and then you have a tinier pocket here too. So like you have like a lot of pockets.
And you still, I'll show you guys, you still have pockets here. Let me show here. Like to put cards and things like that.
Basically I have the woman size also. Guy is like the normal man size. But yeah, so it fits me very good in terms of height. Like the straps are like very fluffy. Guy's backpack is pretty much the same. It's the same thing here. More water bottles. I swear it's never enough. You think like one? No. You have to bring at least like 2 or 3. So maybe we'll show you first this one.
Okay.
Toiletries bag, basically. You can use it for whatever you want. I think we thought it was like very nice to put it like in this space. Like, I don't know, it's just like more handy. This is the bag itself. And then you open it, and it's like quite big. And you still have like this zip locker here. And then also on this side, you also have like another one here. Each one of us just has like his toiletries little pouch. Usually in the airport, it's always better to put your things in the transparent one. but to carry in sometimes you just put this here. So, very quick rundown. I have like a few lipsticks. Honestly, I bought like 5. It was too much, just 2 is enough, like 2 shades. Hand cream, shampoo, shower gel, my birth control, my perfume, conditioner, Benuron, and like a few other pills. A little scissor.
So I have perfume, deodorant.
This is very important. Sunscreen.
Sunscreen.
We took 2
different
sunscreen.
kinds of sunscreens.
Body sunscreen.
This is
shower gel.
Another
deodorant, body butter, face cream,
body wash, the shave machine.
Okay, so
let's go to the back.
Yeah, basically the one thing we really liked about our backpack, there's a few backpacks where you just like opens like on top, then you have to take everything out. But this one opens like fully, so you can have access to everything, and if you just want like one thing, you don't have to take it all. Is not only you have like this pocket, you have this pocket, and then here you have another pocket, and then on the sides, here you have additional on these sides, the same on this side. So I mean, you can storage a lot of things. Here we just have our Greece travel guide, always keep it here, and then usually here you put like some dirty clothes too. And this is like our most beloved thing we bought. Yeah, we bought packing cubes, and we bought the same brand, the 4 Claws. Fits perfectly. And
I think it was like 10 euros for 3.
Yeah, so you have 2 smaller ones and a big one. And basically like the best thing about packing cubes is not only does it keep your bag tight, like if I take this off it's just very nice and empty, but like at the same time you can just, if you just want one thing and you know what it is, you don't have to like go through all the backpack. But yeah, and we also like tried to separate it. T-shirts and like tops, and then we did like
pants
and shorts, and then like underwear, activewear, things like that. It takes like a lot of clothing, like a lot of layers you wouldn't think. I took 2 jeans, these ones and these ones, and I wish I would take like a black jeans to be different. Yeah, I took like 4 dresses, 2 jumpers, and then like a few tops. Then I took 3 shorts. And I think this was like mostly my summer wearing. In terms of like bathing suits, I just took one. Just took this one because I mean I knew I wasn't wearing it much, so didn't need more. It has 2 bathing suits, I think. You have to try to pack as much clothing that doesn't need an iron as possible, because you don't have it all the time in hostels and even like hotels. Like 90% of our clothes doesn't need iron. I took like 3 of these. Like not summer but not winter type of
mid-season maybe.
This one just took like more sweats, like obviously for winter, so I took like this. I took like the green one. We needed to take more, would be like underwear, like socks. We were always running out of socks and underwear. 6 pairs of socks and 6 pairs of underwear. We should have packed like 12. And we just took like a little bit of like leggings, like sports clothes, like more comfortable clothes, like because we knew we were going to work away and be like probably working,
and not just that,
or if you're going like on a walk or on a mountain, or if you're just like going in and staying in the hostel for the day, don't want to be like wearing jeans. Us also took like a pajama. We took like sleeved one, but like very thin, so do summer and winter. And yeah, I think basically this is my backpack.
So my bag is pretty the same as Joana. It opens the same way because it's the same brand. I have the same packing cubes, things like that. But mostly I bought like summer clothes, and was like this type of shirts.
Yeah, I think you bought like 5 of those. 5
or 6, something like that. Very good. I don't need.
I think you should have bought even more because you never had t-shirts.
Yeah. I also bought 2 shorts, 2 pants, jeans like this. Winter. I bought this one, green one, a blue one.
And then
my favorite, gray one.
Yeah.
This is very good if you want to separate your shoes or sneakers or etc. from your clothes.
Yeah. Basically, I had my. They're very bad right now, but they're very good. I have my Nike ones.
I wear these blue ones. So usually here we have our beach towel, and there are slippers.
Like our normal hostel bathing towel.
Yeah. Here you have the protection against the rain. And you use it like 1 or 2 times.
Yeah. It's very easy.
Because it's too heavy and you need protection, always come with this.
Yeah, you have to find a bag with this. It's very nice.
The same thing?
It helps the weight. When you have like 15 kilos, it makes a difference.
to grab it. And then
things that are not in the backpack are winter jackets, obviously. Super warm inside.
and full,
It was
yeah.
very nice. And honestly, if you've seen our Poland videos, it was in every single video. So nice. And also like some gloves that currently don't know where they are. Yeah, the same. It's beanie. It's jacket.
You're missing your scarf.
Your scarf. Oh yeah. Yeah, basically this was like our rundown very quick. I think the thing we regret most was not bringing more underwear, more socks. Like 1 or 2 more sweats. I think it's like very hard to pack when you're like doing multi-season and it's not just summer.
The only thing that we should bought less was toiletries because we bought it.
We bought a lot of toiletries. Yeah, I hope it helps you like pack your bag.
Yeah. And really use the cubes that we show you guys because it's the best way to organize your things.
Yeah,
don't forget,
trust me, you need an
anything.
organized bag when you're traveling.
Yeah.
So hope this video was very helpful and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope you're enjoying Vlogmas. Have a great week.
And see you
tomorrow.
Bye.
Oh my god, this is a mess.
Yeah, this is very bad now.